I just received this frame from Hob King. It's a 250 frame. It's very nice, not heavy. And I will make a quadricopter, of course, because a quadricopter frame, a smaller one. I received also today this ASCII distribution board, and I started to make the soldering in the distribution board. I put this distribution board here, you see, with the ASCII. I don't have the motors yet, but I was doing this and I thought, why not teach how to solder this wire. So just to explain, I will make one to you see. I want to use this distribution board in a flat position like this, so it will be in the bottom side of my frame, and I want to use like this, so the wires will not be, so I don't want the wires in this side of the board. And what I'm going to do, I will put the wire here and I will flat it to make a 9-degree angle, and after I will solder there. You need to take care, because you see this part is going to the black wires in the center, and this part is going to the red wire, so be careful to don't mess up this. So I hope my iron is red hot. Let's see, yeah, it's hot. So I will put the iron here and I will start to put the solder on it, not in the board or in. So you see, I'm putting the wire, everything will be very hot. I want the solder to go to the board by itself, so like this. After I remove, don't blow, just wait. If you blow, you will mess up the soldering. It needs to be cooled along. Okay, it's nice. Let's make the next one. Yeah. So again, you put the solder in the iron, and the solder goes to the wire and after to the board by itself. This shows that the board and the wire is hot enough. Just wait, you see, it's going. Remove, wait a bit. This, I put a lot of solder on it, but it's okay. Just need to wait to be cold. Okay, after you put the connector here, so I'll put the battery connector here, and I want to show that this is a bit different. Oh man, I need more one hand, because you need to put solder in the wire before putting the connector. So you need to put it hot, put the solder on it. Same with the other. Now both have solder on it. I already put the shrink tube in the wire. Need to put also some solder in the connector before use it. The same as we did with the board. Put it hot and the solder goes by itself. See, it's going. It's because it's hot enough to take the solder. After, so the red is the positive. You need to put everything hot to put it there. So the wire will transfer the heat for the connector and you just release. See? If you want, you can hot it again with a bit more of solder. Okay, nice. Wait. Smooth. Now the other side. Put the wires in a position that will not force them, a natural position for the wire. Hit the wire. Okay. And see, very nice. Now you can just put the shrink tube there. Oh, this one is there, and you can heat it with the ironer, or you can take a lightener. A hair dryer works very well. I use my wife's one all the time. If you take a voltage meter, 20. Okay, it's a 2S battery. Okay, so 8. If we connect here, we can test all the soldering. Okay, first the board. 8, 8, 8, 8, and 8. Everything's fine. I was telling to a friend today that I don't like the distribution boards when we are talking about heavy tricopters or multi-rotors, okay? Because they are too heavy, they will spend a lot of energy, and I'm not so confident that this can take care of 100 amperes or 80 amperes, what else? So I'm always do when the multi-copter is big, I always do using wires instead of a distribution board. Hope you like it. Thumbs up. See you. Bye.